Now go to callback. Again, callback function. Here we have a few lines in order to browse and then get the path and the file name of the image. We have a syntax for that. That syntax, just want to take it from. Yeah, so this is image processing. Under image processing, so this is the syntax for. I'll explain what it is. Here, UI get file. This UI get file will help you for browsing a image. So once you browse, what you are going to get? You are going to get the path where it is stored and file name of that particular image. So that two things you are going to access here. One is file name. F should be capital and N should be capital. And other is path name. P should be in cap letter and also N should be in capital letter. UI here dot. It may be a dot JPG file or it may be a dot PNG file. So I'm in order to notify that I am just giving within 2*. It is a dot file. Dot JPG or PNG, both it can support. And here select the image. Or if you want to give the title for any image, you can give whatever title you want. I think Earth image I downloaded. I'm just giving the name as Earth image for selecting the file actually, that is. Okay, then this path and then path name and the file name to be, in order to, straight away you cannot read it. Okay, to convert that into the required format where you can read an image, for image reading format. So I need to convert that into required format for reading. So I'm for using strcat. So I'm going to convert this path and file name to the image format. So I can read that image and I'm storing that image in IMG, capital IMG. Okay. And see, in order to display an image, we'll use a function IMShow. Yes, I'm using IMShow. And my original image is there in IMG. And here you are supposed to write, since I'm going to display the image in UI axis, I need to mention, I supposed to mention that app.UI axis. Okay, so because whatever name here there are two UI axes. I mean, two axes I'm going to use, one for displaying the original image and other for converting for displaying a grayscale image. So you are supposed to mention on which axis, either axis 1 you want to display or axis 2 I want to display. I have decided to display in first axis. So the name of the first axis is, tag name is UI axis. So I just mentioned here UI axis. So UI axis is mentioned. Okay. And another variable I'm going to define here. What is the purpose of that? I'll just tell you. I'm just going to define here like global IMG. Why I'm defining this as a global variable, I'll tell you that. So global IMG. So this is for displaying your image. Next. Once the moment I press here start, what I supposed to see here? I should see the converted original image should be converted into grayscale, and that is supposed to be displayed here. So I'm going to write code for that here.